Time and pitch correction with samples in Edison, we go to this icon here, the time stretch icon. Up here, we have the pitch course correction, which changes the tone by semitones, and we can see this up here, how much it does it. So let's do 3 semitones. Let's hear this. Let's go 3 semitones down. And it's a lower pitch now. We can do fine corrections, which is more subtle adjustments. And we can do multipliers, which also shows it up here. Here's 125% of what we just had. The time multiplier makes a sample slower and faster. There's 2 methods here that I prefer to use. The resample method, as we change the pitch, as we make the pitch higher, the sample becomes shorter in time. As we make the pitch lower, the sample elongates, like stretching out a waveform. If we go to E3 generic, then as we change the pitch of the sample, the time will remain the same. So if it's a 3-second sample with E3 generic, it'll be 3 seconds with a low pitch or high pitch. That's it. Thanks for watching.